Are you facing challenges in updating and modifying your details in RMoney Demat account? Don't worry, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step so you can make updates without any hassle. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, you have to open the RMoney website and then log in into the account modification module. Once you successfully logged in, here is a list of all the changes which you wanted to make or you can do in your RMoney Demat account. For example, if you want to add a nominee, just click on the nominee option. Click on nominee. Select the OTP which you wanted to receive. Like I'm going to receive OTP on mobile number and then proceed. Once you submit the information, you can just click on submit. Similarly, if you wanted to add another bank account, you can do that too as well. All you have to do is click on bank details tab and fill the given information. Now let's say if you wanted to enable a new segment. Let's say if you have a commodity X segment which is not enabled in your account and you wanted to trade in commodity. All you have to do is open the segment tab and here you can see the toggle option. Just click on it. Once you do that, click on the submit button. In the same way, you can activate the SLBM segment. As you can see, you can also authorize your algo trading and many more things. So the process is very simple. All you have to do is just select the options and follow the given steps. Once you submit the required information and click on submit request, your request would be submitted successfully and our internal team would look into it and it would be approved within 24 to 48 hours. So once you submit a request, you can track the status here. If it is showing processing, you have to wait for 24 to 48 hours. Once it is approved, it will be marked as approved. And if it shows any rejection, check the remark here, click on this I button and you will be notified what is the reason of rejection. Well, most rejection happens only when submitted details don't match the records. Not big of an issue. Either you can submit the request once again or you can contact RMoney support team. They'll help you to provide the resolution. For more helpful video like this, do comment down below and let us know on which topic you want the next video. Until then, happy trading.